Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Ashrit Punyaslok Reunited, and today's topic is Indian Air Force. Indian Air Force was officially established on 8 October 1932. Its first act flight came to being on 1st April 1933 with 6 RAF trained officers and 19 Hawaii sepoys. At the beginning, government thought that with such few soldiers, the Indian Air Force would become a failure. But now the Indian Air Force has many jets, many helicopters and many types of missiles, which is a great success for the Indian Air Force. On the 75th Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the Indian Air Force did an amazing air stunt in the air. So let me show you that. Here is the video. So, as you can see here, the Indian Air Force had an air stunt on the 75th Azadi Amrit Mahotsav. All the planes had to be on the same distance with the same speed so that they can travel by making a 75 on the air, and their speed was almost from 80 km per hour to 120 km per hour. They all had to cooperate with each other. One has failed the speed, then they are left behind. Also, they had to be at the same height. It was very difficult to do it, and they had to train it. So, let's talk about the new member of our Indian Air Force. You all guys know it. The Dassault Rifle, a multi-role fighter aircraft. So far, India has 36 Rafale jets. A Dassault Rifle has twin-engine feature. Its top speed is 1912 km per hour. Its shooting range is 3700 km. Its whole weight is 9,979 kg and length is 15 cm. Let's talk about some facts about Rafale. It can take off with 24.5 tons of weight. Its wingspan is about 10 meters and 90 centimeters. It can hold up to 4.7 tons of internal fuel and up to 6.7 tons of external fuel. Its landing ground range is 450 meters, means 1500 feet. So, hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and follow me on Twitter if you have Twitter. Link in the description. This is Ashrit Punyaslok Reunited signing off. Bye.